Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. I am Amna Hashmi. I hope you have revised everything that you have learned in previous lesson. Do watch the previous lessons and revise for better practice. Okay, now let's begin with our today's lesson. Let's learn to say your or yours in Urdu. In English we say your or yours, and in Urdu it is आपका और आपकी और आपके. Yours, आपका, आपकी, आपके. If you are talking about masculine, you say आपका. If you are talking about feminine, you are saying आपकी. And when you are talking about plural, you say आपके. So in English we say your or yours. It is आपका और आपकी और आपके. Repeat and practice, okay? Then in English we say me. I hope you do remember saying I in Urdu. We say I in English and in Urdu, मैं. Similarly, we say me in English and in Urdu it is मैं. Me, मैं. Then in English we say my. And in Urdu it is मेरा. My, मेरा. Let's repeat one more time. In English we say your or yours, and in Urdu it is आपका और आपकी और आपके. Then in English we say me, and in Urdu it is मैं. मैं. Then in English we say my, and in Urdu it is मेरा. मेरा. Alright? Now let's learn to say my balloon. Well, it could be just anything. It could be my bear, my watch, my cup, my glasses, anything. But when you are saying my balloon or anything, in Urdu it is mera gubara. Since we are saying my balloon here, so with mera we are going to say gubara. If it was a bear, then it was my bear in English, and in Urdu it would be mera bhalu. Alright? So with mera, you are just going to take the name of the thing that you are telling about, that it is yours. Then we can always say it's my balloon. In English we say it's my balloon, and in Urdu it is ये मेरा गुब्बारा है. Remember, it in English and in Urdu it could be ये or it could be वो. So it's my balloon. ये मेरा गुब्बारा है. Okay? Let's repeat one more time. My balloon, मेरा गुब्बारा. Remember, it could be anything you are telling about, okay? That thing can replace balloon. Then we say it's my balloon, and in Urdu it is ये मेरा गुब्बारा है. Repeat and practice well, okay? Alright, now counting. We have already learned counting from 1 to 31. First, I would like you to count from 1 to 31. Now let's learn 32 in Urdu. In English, we say 32, and in Urdu, it is 32. 32, 32. Let's repeat 30, 31 and 32 first in English and then in Urdu, okay? 30, 30, 31, 31, 32, 32, 30, 31, 32. Now count many times from 1 to 32 for better practice. Alright? Okay, so here this is the end of our today's lesson. Do watch the lesson again and revise and practice a lot. Just look around you and look at your things and say my dash, whatever the thing is, and say that in Urdu, okay? Alright, so here this is the end of our today's lesson. I will see you with next lesson inshallah. Till then, take care of yourself. Remember in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.